Hi everyone, this is just a brief tutorial on adding a thread to the discussion board. I'm redoing this because our old tutorial was from Blackboard, so it's basically the same. But when we go into a discussion board, you just want to take a look at the questions, and of course you will choose your set of questions that you want to respond to and construct your responses. So when you want to start, you can just click on the heading of the discussion board and then you start a new thread. And from there, you will enter your information right here. And you can also, later when you're doing responses to your fellow classmates, you may want to use the video thread, and let me just show you. You just click on that box and you would add a video note, and then you will see that you would be able to start your recording, and you will allow your camera and then start your new recording right here. I cannot do that for you because the camera will only record one thing at a time, and I'm recording using screencast. So just know that that happens. And then after you do your video, you will then just continue to click next. You may need to refresh, and it will give you all those prompts there, and just then you will post it. So if you have any questions about actually getting started, please let me know. You can always cancel your post as well. So anyway, if you need anything, you let me know. Thank you.